Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here what is written lines and angle. So we are learning length and angle from last videos. In last video we had discussed about line ray and line segment and angles and how you will give the naming of angle you will be done. Okay. So today we are going to learn measurement of angle and types of angle on the basis of measurement. What will be and pair of angle we will learn. Okay. So see here. See here. First of all, you will write is measured. Angle is measured in degree, degree or radian. Degree or radian. Okay. Degree is degree is denoted by degree is denoted by small circle by small circle, and it can be written as for example 30 degree. So this is symbol of this is a you can use symbol for for measurement measurement of angle in degree. Okay, so this is degree form. And radian is denoted by pi. Okay, by written in pi. Is written in form of pi. In form of pi. Okay, so this thing you will learn in higher classes. Till 10th class you will learn about the degree only. Okay, so see here, angle is measured in degree or radian by an instrument used for measuring of angle is protractor. Okay, so by protractor you will measure the angle. Okay, now types of we will talk about types of angles. Now we will talk about types of angle. See here. Okay, so I hope you have understood how you will measure the. Okay, now see types of angle. So first, and types of angle on basis of measurement only. Okay, so we done types of angle by on the basis of measurement only. Okay, so see here, first of all you will write what? Zero angle. Zero angle measures 0 degree, and it is denoted by like this. Okay, so this is zero angle. Now second is acute angle. Acute angle measures will be measures between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, and it is denoted by like this symbol. Okay, this is acute angle triangle. Now see the third one will be right angle. And right angle measures measures 90 degree, and it is denoted by this symbol. Here you will make like this. This is the symbol of 90 degree. Now see the fourth one will be obtuse angle. Obtuse angle measures between 90 degree and 180 degree, and it is denoted by like this symbol. See here, this is obtuse angle. Now see the fifth one will be straight angle. Straight angle measures 180 degree, and it is denoted by like this symbol. See here, so this is straight angle symbol. Sixth one, reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle measures. Reflex angles measures between 180 degree and 360 degree. Okay, and it is denoted by like this. You will make, and this is reflex angle. Don't make like this unless it will become obtuse. See there. Okay, so this is reflex angle. Now seventh one, complete angle. Complete angle. So complete angle measures 360 degree, and it is denoted by here one circle will be there. Okay, see, they seem to be same, but here dot is there only, here circle is there. Circle indicate means one complete circle makes 360 degree angle. So see here types of angle: zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex and complete angle, and the measurement of all the angle. Okay, so if any measure found in any of this, then that kind of angle will be. Okay, so see here, I hope you have understood. Okay, so these are basic things you have to keep in mind. Okay, now we are going to learn pair of angles. Pair of angles. Okay, now we are going to learn pair of angles. In pair of angles, first pair is complementary angle. First pair is complementary angle. Complementary angle means pair of angles whose sum is 90 degree. Whose sum is 90 degree, called as complementary angle. Complementary angle. Okay. For example, see here, suppose 30 and 60. 30 and 60 are the complementary angle of each other. How it will be? If you will take the sum of 30 and 60, so what will come? 90 will come. Okay. And the definition of complementary said that the pair of angle whose sum is 90. If pair of angle will be 90 degree, then that pair will be called as complementary angle. Okay. Now, one more example, see, 20 or 70. Okay. Or 11 and 79, see. Okay. So these are the etc. many. There will be many complementary angle will be. Okay. So some example are written here, and I hope you have understood what is complementary angle. Okay. Now second one is supplementary angle. Second one is supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means pair of angles. Pair of angles whose sum is 180 degree. Whose sum is 180 degree, called as supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Okay. For example, you have to take any two angle whose sum will be 180. So see, 60 120 you can take, 30 150 you can take. Okay, 10 degree and 170 you can take. So these are what? Supplementary angles. These are what? Supplementary angle. Why supplementary angle? Because their sum is 180 degree. Okay. So suppose one question is there ki find the supplement of 70 degree. So what you will write? So you will subtract 70 from the 180. So what will come? 110 will come. Okay. Suppose one question is there. Find the complement of 45 degree. Then 90 minus 45, what will come? 45 degree minus 45 degree will be the complement of 45 degree. Suppose what question is there, find the complement of 10 degree. So what you will write? 90 minus 10, 80 degree. So 80 degree will be the complement of 10 degree. In this way you You can tell, okay, what is complement and what is supplement triangle. Okay, now third one is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Okay, now this is very important. Okay, in this many students are there facing problem, how you have to tell which one is adjacent and which one is adjacent, not adjacent. Okay, so here I'm first writing the definition, then then you will then by making figure we will discuss about this in detail. So adjacent angle means two angles, two or say pair of angle. This is also pair of angle whose whose one arm whose one arm is common, whose one arm is common, called as adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Okay, for example, suppose I have made a figure like this. See, this is A O B. If you make one ray more, C. Okay, so you can see here OC is the arm of this angle also, and OC is the arm of this angle also, BOC. OC is the arm of AOC angle and OC is the arm of BOC angle. Means this ray shares in both angle, or you can say OC is common ray for angle AOC and BOC. Okay, so you will say that the angle AOC and BOC will be adjacent pair. So here you will write in figure angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent to each other, are adjacent to each other. How you will? Because ray OC is common in both, see here how you will define the adjacent angle. Okay, now I am going to make one more figure here. Okay, now we will discuss how many adjacent pair will be in the figure and how we will write. Okay, so I am going to erase this one. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now let us see. See here, so I am going to make one figure. See, suppose this is A O, this is B. One ray is there C and one ray is there D. Okay, now you have to tell how many adjacent pair are there in given figure. Okay, how many adjacent pair are there in given figure. Okay, and you have to write the adjacent pair also. Okay, so before writing you should know how you will give the name of angle. Okay, so see here, see this angle. So how you will make adjacent pair? So first of all you have to select one angle. Okay, then you have to say how many adjacent angle are there with that angle. So suppose that we are taking this angle AOD. Suppose we are writing angle AOD. Now we will see how many adjacent pair are there. So see, this angle is adjacent with AOD because OD is common in both. Now see, this angle is also adjacent with AOD because OD is common there. Okay, so here you will write what? Angle DOC is adjacent to AOD. Second thing, again you will write angle AOD. Then you will write angle DOB. Then you will give the name DOB. See, this angle is adjacent with AOD and this angle is adjacent with AOD, DOB. Okay, now you will, now suppose, now take this angle DOC. Now see, which angle is, so this angle is adjacent with BOC, but that we have written already. So you will write this one, angle BOC. See, this angle and this angle making adjacent pair. Okay. Now hold this angle, angle BOC. Now see how many adjacent pair are there. So with BOC, this angle is adjacent. Okay, with BOC, this angle is adjacent. We have written already. Now see, this angle is adjacent. So what you will write? Angle AOC. Angle AOC. Okay. So see here how you will write the third. You can see here there are four adjacent pair, adjacent angle in given figure. Okay. Now one question I am going to give you. You will tell that how many adjacent pair will be in the given figure in my comment box, and you have to tell how you will write the adjacent pair also. Okay. So see here for you I am going to make here figure. Suppose this is AOB. Okay. This is C, this is B, and this is D. Okay, now see here how many adjacent pair are there, how you will write the adjacent pair of this figure. Okay, so this is your this question is for your homework. Okay, in free time you will do this question. Okay, now after this we are going to discuss two more pair of angle. Fourth one is linear pair. What? Fourth one is linear pair. Now linear pair is what? This is adjacent angle. This is adjacent angle whose sum is 180 degree. Whose sum is 180 degree, called linear pair. Called as linear pair. See, suppose a figure is there A, B and OC. See, so you can see here this angle and this angle are both are adjacent, and sum of both will be 180 degree. Okay, so in figure you can see angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent to each other and their sum is 180 degree also. So we can say that angle AOC and angle BOC are linear pair. See here how you will write. Suppose that if a linear pair is formed, suppose this angle is given 65 degree. Okay, then question is asking find the value of x. Okay, find the value of x. Then how you will find the value of x is equal to 180 minus 65, and here you will write the reason why, because it is making linear pair. Then what will come here? 10 minus 5, 5 will be 7 minus 6, 115 degree will be value of x. Okay, so on the basis on linear pair many questions are formed. So we will do in next video. Okay, so see here we have discussed the linear pair. Okay, one more pair is there. Okay, one more pair is there. So for making you understand, I am going to erase that one. I hope you have noted down. Okay. Okay, now see here, last pair, fifth pair is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Okay, so vertically opposite angle means, so for understanding this, you have to learn about the intersecting lines. What are intersecting lines? Okay, so intersecting line are two or more lines with sorry, two lines which cut each other, or two or more lines which cut each other, you can say that intersecting line. Okay, so see here what you will write: when two or more line intersect each other, then angle opposite to each other called as, here intersect you can use the word cut also. Okay, called as vertically opposite angles. Okay, now how you will show this by figure? Suppose this is AB line and this is CD line. Okay, now you can see here four angles are formed. Okay, now see this angle in opposite to this angle is opposite of this angle, and this angle is opposite of this angle. So what we will say, angle COB is opposite of angle AOD, means COB and AOD will be vertically opposite angle. Here you will write angle AOD and angle BOC. Okay, so both are vertically opposite angle. Here you will write, see this angle AOC, angle BOD. Okay, so in figure you can say, in figure AOD and BOC and AOC are vertically opposite angle. In short, you can say VOA also. Okay, in short you can say VOA also. Suppose that you in any question you have to give reason why angle are equal. Okay, then you have to give reason. Suppose that if before this, here I have to tell that one theorem is there. According to that, in 9th class that theorem is there. Okay, so one theorem is there. According to that, vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Okay, according to theorem, vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Okay, suppose two lines are intersecting each other. Okay, so here suppose that 65 degrees is given and here x is given. Now question is asking what will be the value of x. Then here you will write what, x is equal to 65 degree, and here reason you will give what, VOA, because both are vertically opposite angle. Okay, so in this way you will tell. Now I hope you have understood what is vertically opposite angle. Okay, so see here, and what is linear pair, what is adjacent pair, and complementary and supplementary. Okay, now I hope you have understood all the things. Okay, now if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it. And if you have any query, comment in my comment box. Remember, this question is for you. Okay, you have to tell how many adjacent pair are there. Okay, now if you are facing any problem in any question, so here my WhatsApp number is there. Okay, on this number you will send me pic of that question in which you are facing problem. So what I will do, I will make video of that question to clear your doubts. Okay, so till now wait for the next video. In next video we will learn parallel lines and transversal and angle formed by them. Okay, and some pair of angle formed by parallel line and transversal. Okay, so till now, thank you, have a nice day, and wait for the next video.